Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to use both the max and min functions in Microsoft Excel 365. So the min function, you use the min function to get the smallest number in a range of cells, and you use the max function to get the largest number in a range of cells too. So similar to my previous videos, I'm going to follow these steps: step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm going to make changes to these tables here on the right side. So first and foremost, step 1, select cell D7, then use the autosum wizard to add the min function. So in the yellow bit here, in this fruits table, I'm going to add the min function using the autosum wizard and populate that yellow cell. So highlight the yellow cell at the top in the ribbon, click on the home tab, scroll across to the editing section here. There's the autosum wizard, then click on the arrow on the right of it. Then once you click on the arrow right on the right of it, choose the min function there, and it will populate that formula in the yellow cell in D7. Now it will highlight all the range of cells. Now the minimum value from these 4 cells here is 20, so the answer here, the lowest number here, should be 20 when I click on enter. And there you have it, so it's 20. We're going to try now here in this meets table here to add the max function, but this time the difference is I'm not going to use the autosum wizard to do this. I'm going to enter the formula in manually. Now, as you know from my previous videos, the first thing you do when you add a formula is equals. So we're going to type in equals in there in the yellow cell. Then we're going to type in the function for max, which is max, bracket open. Then we're going to highlight all the cells where we want Excel to find the largest number or the maximum number, bracket closed. And obviously when I click on enter, there's 2 high values, or the two of the highest values here. Beef is 50, fish is 50. So when we click on enter, the highest value it should bring back is 50, which is the maximum number in that range of cells. Click on that and we have 50 there. Now the third, in the third table here with breads, donuts, cookies, cakes and pies, we're going to type in the min value, but we're going to use the min function. We're going to, again, here, we're going to, as the same method as the max function, we're going to type in the formula in manually. So equals, the function for min is min, bracket open, highlight all the cells we want to feature in this formula, and bracket closed, and then we need to type in enter. Before we do that, it should bring back the number 20 here as the lowest number, and there we have 20 there. What we're going to do in this last cell here, we're going to use the autosum feature and try putting in the max value. Again, the max value should be 100, so we highlight the yellow cell, go to the top, go to the home tab, scroll across to the autosum wizard, click on the arrow and choose the max function to find the highest value, and there we have 100 as the highest value there. So I hope this video has helped you. Hope you understand how to use the min and max functions in formulas. I hope you understand how to use them in your tables to find the highest, lowest values. This is especially recommended, especially if you have a range of data, complex data, and you want to find the highest, lowest values. And this is an easy way to help you do that. Please like this video, please subscribe and share.